Hi guys, today let us learn about double displacement reaction. So let us look at the definition. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called as double displacement. So here usually double displacement we are looking at interaction between ionic compounds. So here when you look at the general formula, you have AX plus BY giving rise to AY and BX. So here look at the charge on the four elements. So here A is cation, X anion, similarly B cation and Y anion. So since the reacting species are ionic compounds, so we can easily expect exchange of ions between them. So it would lead to reaction between A and Y as product, that is AY, and similarly it would result in the reaction of B plus and X minus to give rise to BX. So this is the general reaction of double displacement. So usually double displacement reaction can also give rise to precipitate as one of the products. So when you look at the example here, so we have a double displacement reaction that takes place in solution, and one of the products being insoluble precipitates out, that is separates out as a solid. So here we have the example as AgNO3 plus NaCl giving rise to AgCl and sodium nitrate. So here again looking at the two reacting species, silver nitrate is a ionic salt, sodium chloride is an ionic salt, and silver is Ag plus, nitrate is NO3 minus. Similarly, Na is Na plus and Cl minus. So here it is interaction between two ionic compounds, and hence there will be exchange of ions. So Ag plus will interact with the Cl minus to form AgCl. Similarly, NaCl will interact with NO3 to form NaNO3. So here the white precipitate, that is AgCl, is obtained. So it is not mandatory, students, that all double displacement reaction will give rise to precipitation, but double displacement reaction can also give rise to precipitation. So it's not a mandatory condition. So similarly, we have so many other examples wherein the precipitate color varies depending on the starting material. So for example, we have copper sulfate reacting with hydrogen sulfide. See, hydrogen sulfide is usually when you look at the solid, it is black color solid. Hence looking at the precipitate formed also, it is a black precipitate, that is copper sulfide, and with the formation of sulfuric acid, which is an aqueous medium. So as I already told you, all double displacement reactions are not precipitation reaction. For example, when we look at the basic neutralization of strong acid and strong base, that is HCl being a strong acid reacting with NaOH being a strong base, gives rise to neutralization, that is salt and water. So here the salt is sodium chloride and water. So since there's formation of sodium chloride, it doesn't form any precipitate. So this concludes that all double displacement are not precipitation reaction. Thank you.